Hello everyone! Who can guess what is in the box? Okay, I will turn it and let's see. I think it's a long chair. Yes, you're right. I have just received the chairs I ordered and I bought one long chair and there are still two chairs inside. It was heavier than I thought. But I think I can do it by myself. Let's try. Wow, I did. Throw away the garbages and ready to assemble the other chairs. Please wait and see what will be the result. It's really a good feeling to try something with your best. Now I feel very excited. The two rattan chairs that you can see are for tea table set. Turn around. I really want to challenge myself at this time. There is a saying, if you want to do something, nothing is impossible. What do you think? Do you think I can make it? Have a good luck, Lucy. Please stand by because it's almost done. I can do it. I can do it. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? I can do it. My husband is not yet coming. Before he comes home, I want to show him my work. These chairs I chose by myself. What can you say about it? Please comment below. Thank you for watching.